Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. All of us do not have equal talent. But, all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. You have to have a goal, but you have to have strategies to achieve it as fast as possible. You have to have A. If you fail, never give up, because FAIL means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. In fact, END means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember NO means next opportunity. So let's be positive. You have to have A. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. You have to have A. The reality of your own nature should determine your speed. If you become restless, speed up. If you become tense and high-strung, slow down. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Don't fear for facing failure in the first attempt, because even the successful math starts with 0 only. We should not never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life.